reporter Steve Nielsen is live in Warwick tonight with more on Irene's impact there.
Many restaurants have been in the dark, causing a serious strain on business. We went to one local hotspot who just got their power on a few hours ago. Iggy's is famous for frying up clam cakes and doughboys and dishing out chowder. But Irene knocked out electricity and forced the business to close for the first time.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and, even a little bit today. But, we were hearing it wasn't going to come on until next Sunday or Monday.
That's a long time to go without business. Dave Gravino says it's been tough getting by these last few days.
I mean, tough on the pocketbook, plus all the regular customers that, come down time and time again.
Number 305.
Gravino says they were able to open up after he bought a large generator, but just 3 hours later, the lights came back on. After he had inspectors come look at the restaurant, he was able to open up with a limited menu.
I'm up from New York City today, so I come here about once a year, so I would have been really disappointed if they had been closed. So I'm thrilled that they're open.
I'm very excited. I haven't been here before, so I can't wait to eat. He took me here. He said it's great food.